So ayun guys, kagagaling ko lang sa gate ng subdivision namin para pick upin itong grocery box na to. So what's inside? Tara, samahan niyo ako. So ayun guys, over the weekend kasi nag-request ako ng fruit salad at konting baking from my wife. So since hindi kami makalabas ng bahay para mag-grocery, may na-discover ako na website. Bagong website lang sila. They operated around February of this year. So ang pangalan ng establishment ay Bountygrace Food. So if you want to check out their website para doon mag-order online, it's bountyfood.com. Currently, almost lahat ng area dito sa Pampanga ay ang kanilang kinikater. If you're interested how I got these groceries without even leaving the house, samahan nyo ako dito sa vlog na to and papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko na-order from their website to my house. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Nanobabo Kabalen, kamusta? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Kadalasan, ako mismo yung lumalabas ng bahay para bumili ng mga groceries and mga essentials na kailangan namin dito sa bahay. Dahil nga sa quarantine period, hindi naman ganun kadaling lumabas ng bahay. And at the same time, may mga pagkakataon na hindi rin ako pwedeng lumabas. So, napaka-convenient ng mga services na available ngayong quarantine period, kagaya ng mga delivery apps, pasabay. And at the same time, itong website na na-discover ko just lately is an online grocery where we can buy our groceries and deliver them straight to our doorsteps. So, na-check ko na siya before pero hindi ko pa talaga nagamit yung website or yung app nila. So, right now, sabay-sabay natin i-discover kung ano yung online grocery website na to. Type lang natin ang bountyfood.com and then there you have it. There you have it. So, this is the website. I have a list here na bibilhin natin. So, we can try searching for, so try natin search yung fruit cocktail. There you go. So, pwede ito. Del Monte Fiesta fruit cocktail, 836 grams. There you go. Pwede tayo ng apat. And then, hit add to cart. And then, search pa tayo ng condensada. Order tayo ng dalawa. Add to cart. Del Monte. Meron tayong condensada. There you go. So, lahat na lang na order ko ay nandito. You can check out or check out using your PayPal account. Kung meron kang promo code, you can actually enter here and get a discount. Add a note. So, from here, we can type in our address. So, sa shipping details, kailangan ma-verify ni Bounty Food kung saan niya i-deliver ang mga groceries natin. So we have to create our account in order for the system to verify us. Ayan. So if you notice, na-enter ko na lahat ng mga required field. We have delivery methods. Either we will pick up yung store sa Menalin, which is free, or they will deliver the groceries do sa address na in-identify natin. So third option, which is the payment, you can either use PayPal or cash on delivery. So for the sake of showing you guys, choose natin yung cash on delivery and then click continue. Please review the details. Again, if you have promo code, you can enter it here. You can also view the items kung tama yung mga na-order mo. So here is the acknowledgement page. Sabi niya, thank you for your order, Louis Season. You'll receive an email confirmation soon. Order number is this one. Total amount is 1,127. Offline payment, cash on delivery, and will be shipped to my address. Hintayin na lang natin.
Hello po. Louie. Hello po. Opo, hello po.
Sir, bigay lang namin yung items.
Okay.
Yan, so sensya na. So dumating na yung mga order natin from Bountygrace, no? Bounty Food, no sir? Okay. May pipirmahan po ako, sir.
Yes, sir.